हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, ये है चैप्टर नंबर 13 की एक्सरसाइज नंबर 47। स्टार्ट करेंगे। स्प्री, सपर, स्प्लाइस, सप्लाइज, स्ट्रे, सूटर, suitor, settle, screw, seeker, cyclists. Next है sweeper, switcher, swagger, stupor, stagger, sweetly, steeple, stickle, saddle, sadly. Next है cipher, severance, summer, sooner, civility, personal, swimmers, stifles. Next is distress, excrescence, express, offspring, gospel, gossiper, sorry, gospel, mistress, mistrust, disgraced, disclosed, prescribed, sorry, prescriber, obs, obtrusively, obtrusively, tortoise shell, peaceful, glass ware, praise worthy. Next, exercise number 48. Set, setter, settle, stab, stabber, stable, sweet, sweeter, sweetly, seek, seeker, sickle. Next is supreme, supreme, sublime, cider, sidle, sacred, seclude. Next is traceable, disclosure, plausible, classical, distressed, extremity, tasker, task. Next is suffers, simmers, sinners, peaceful, explosive, expels, risible, rasper. Next is disgraces, discloses, prescribes, crossways. Next, exercise number 49. Start from what I know of Cedric Spring. He has no claims to supreme cleverness. It would be safer to describe him as a spruce young fellow with a very strong belief in himself. He is possibly a bit masterful in his manner, but he is the more likely to succeed because of his liking for work, nor do I think he is in any extreme sense a pleasure seeker. Far from it. I am sure there is no more honorable fellow in the city, and it will surprise me if he fails to make a name for himself, as he lives near me. I travel with him several days a week, and I must say he has a plausible tongue which should assist him in his business. Next, exercise number 50. Start. We are surprised to know from your favor of the 6th of August of the extremely long delay in the delivery of the Surrey and Gloucestershire books. So far as we can discover, there is no very clear reason for the delay. We have looked into the case, as you may be sure, and it is still a mystery. Mr. Strong, our dispatch clerk, expressly disclaims any blame, but if possible, he will take more care with the books still to come. He will personally supervise the addressing of the parcels. By the way, we hope to have the new Uxbridge book ready very soon. It will be in the same style as our classical library. तो ये सभी एक्सरसाइज आप अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। एक लाइन को एटलीस्ट 5 टाइम्स प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। उसके बाद आप इसमें से दोबारा इसको ऑन करके डिक्टेशन भी ले सकते हैं, और कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स।